Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk dinner rolls. These dinner rolls are perfectly sweet, tangy, and buttery, and are also very light and fluffy. They may be the best dinner rolls you'll ever have. So let's get started. So to make the dough in a large bowl, add in the flour and yeast and mix them together until they're thoroughly combined, and set it aside for now. And then in a medium saucepan, add in the buttermilk, sugar, butter, and I've cut it up so that it melts faster, and salt. And place the saucepan onto the stove over a medium-low heat and heat it until the butter has melted and the mixture is warm but not hot. And once it's ready, remove it from the heat and add it into the flour mixture and add in the egg and beat it with an electric mixer on low speed for 30 seconds. Then scrape down the sides of the bowl. Then beat it on a medium to high speed for another 3 minutes. Then add in the rest of the flour a little at a time, mixing with a wooden spoon until a dough forms. Then turn the dough out onto a floured work surface and knead it for about 6 to 8 minutes until a smooth dough forms and to really develop the gluten. And if it gets too sticky, just add a little more flour. Then grease the same bowl you had the dough in before with nonstick cooking spray. And place the dough inside and turn it over a few times to coat the dough in the oil. And wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 1.5 to 2 hours until it roughly doubles in size. And once it's ready, punch it down to redistribute the air. And turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface. And divide the dough into 20 pieces. Then roll each piece into a ball and pull and tuck the edges underneath so you get a smooth top. And add the pieces into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Then cover it with plastic wrap and add a clean kitchen towel on top. And let them rise in a warm place for about 45 minutes to an hour. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. And once the rolls are done proofing, gently brush the tops with melted butter to give them a nice golden brown color when they bake. And bake them in the oven for about 15 minutes or until they turn a nice golden brown color on top. And once they're ready, remove them from the oven and rub a stick of butter on top of the rolls. You can use as much or as little as you like. And they're best served while they're still warm. And that's how to make buttermilk dinner rolls. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.